Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of my diary app. You click on settings as you said, you can click. Here in this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about my diary app and you can enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.